Today, we are diving into the story of a small island nation with a mighty legacy, Sri Lanka. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, ancient temples, and vibrant culture, Sri Lanka may seem like just a tropical paradise, but did you know that this island had influenced the world in more than ways that you can imagine? From introducing tea and cinnamon to the world, to breaking global political barriers and preserving priceless spiritual traditions, Sri Lanka's gifts span history, innovation, and culture. So, sit back and join us as we explore 20 fascinating things Sri Lanka has given to the world and get ready to be amazed. Number 1. Ceylon tea. Globally loved for its bold flavors, Sri Lanka tea is among the world's finest. Cinnamon export, the island introduced true cinnamon to the world used since ancient times. World first woman prime minister, Siri Mavo Bandaranaike made global political history in 1960. Rock Fortress, a 15th century masterpiece of architecture, engineering, and art. Ayurvedic healing, Sri Lanka's herbal medicine tradition has been used for over 3,000 years. Kanyan dance, a vibrant cultural expression through dance, drumming, and costume. Cricketing legends, players like Muralitharan and Jayasuriya have inspired millions. Theravada Buddhism, Sri Lanka has preserved and spread this ancient school of thought globally. Ancient irrigation systems, sophisticated reservoirs still in use today. Sri Lankan spices like nutmeg, cardamom, and cloves that flavor cuisines worldwide. Temple of the Tooth, a sacred Buddhist site in Kandy, attracting global visitors. Eco biodiversity, home to elephants, leopards, and over 400 bird species. Gems and jewelry, world-class blue sapphires and gems craftsmanship. Traditional batik art, colorful hand-dyed fabric now worn globally. Sinhala language, a unique Indo-Aryan script with deep literary roots. Mask rituals and puppetry, rich folklore presenting through colorful art and storytelling. Toddy and coconut products, a culture of sustainability around the coconut tree. Sri Pada, Adam's Peak, a spiritual symbol revered by multiple religions. Lankan drumming, ancient procession styles used in healing and celebration. Delicious cuisine, spicy curries, hoppers, and coconut symbols loved by foodies everywhere. And that brings to the end of our journey through the wonders of Sri Lanka. From the world's most favorable tea to the world's first elected female prime minister. From ancient irrigation marvels to global spiritual landmarks, Sri Lanka's contributions are timeless, unique, and deeply impactful. This tiny island continues to influence the world through its food, art, tradition, and values. It reminds us that greatness doesn't always come from size. Sometimes it comes from depth, culture, and soul. Which of these 20 gifts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the incredible legacies of different cultures around the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.